All right, on to our top story. Former First Lady Laura Bush is in Abilene this evening talking about women's health, family, and her love of all things Texas.
And KRBC's Madeline Montgomery had the chance to peek into the event. Madeline, what was the atmosphere like?
Well, Randy, nearly 600 people came out to hear from the former First Lady, and all in attendance were thrilled to be in the same room as Mrs. Bush. The former First Lady is here for an event raising funds for the Laura W. Bush Institute for Women's Health, which has an office right here in Abilene at the Texas Tech University Health and Science Center. Here are some highlights from the event.
Well, Abilene, the big country, has always been Bush country. So people are enthusiastic to the chance to hear her speak.
A sentiment shared by almost 600 people who came to the Abilene Convention Center to hear former First Lady Laura Bush speak.
Well, it's a great event. It's going to be a fabulous evening having Laura Bush here to speak not only as to what she has done in her legacy as First Lady, but also what it means to Abilene and the women's health initiatives that will be taking place because of the institute that will be now here locally.
An institute Texas Tech has been working on for nearly a decade.
If Texas Tech could name the Laura Bush Institute for Women's Health for me, and I was thrilled. It was really a wonderful sort of circle back to my childhood of wonderful love with my dad and mother, where my grandmother lived.
The Institute aims to have programs for women for further their physical health education, for preteens and their mothers to do programs together, also to help fund research in women's issues, and then also to help provide women financial resources if they need so when battling diseases.
The First Lady spoke about her passion for the Institute, as well as gave an update on life after the White House.
When you're president, you have every problem in the world on your desk, and the minute you're not president, you don't have anything on your desk.
Mrs. Bush also spoke about her father-in-law, George H.W. Bush, who is currently in the hospital. And this is the second time since January Bush 41 has been admitted to a Houston hospital due to a mild case of pneumonia. A spokesperson for Mr. Bush says there's no change in his condition since last Friday, but the former president is continuing to gain strength and is high in spirits. And Mrs. Bush said tonight that he is simply getting older and these kinds of things happen, and that her in-laws have been an example to her and George W. Bush on how to age gracefully. Live in studio, Madeline Montgomery, KRBC, Abilene's local news.